let us continue with the chapter. So, King got various answers for the three questions. Now, as the answers of his questions were so different, the king was not satisfied and gave no reward. King was not satisfied with such answers. He was not satisfied. All the answers were different, and he was not at all satisfied with the answers given by by various wise men. So he was, because he was not satisfied, so he did not give any reward to any of the wise men. Instead, he decided to seek the advice to a certain hermit who was widely known for his wisdom. Instead of going for answers from other wise men, he decided to go to a hermit. Hermit means uh, pujari. हरमिट एक पुजारी. ही वॉज नोन फॉर हिज विजडम, जो कि बहुत मशहूर थे अपनी समझदारी के लिए, अपनी समझदारी भरी बातों के लिए बहुत मशहूर थे. सो किंग डिसाइडेड टू गो टू हिम एंड आस्क फॉर द आंसर्स ऑफ द थ्री क्वेश्चंस. द हरमिट लिव्ड इन अ वुड विच ही नेवर लेफ्ट. Wood here means forest. So hermit used to live in a hut in the forest. He saw no one but simple people, and so the king put on ordinary clothes. Before he reached the hermit's hut, the king left his horse with his bodyguard and went on alone. So king went to the hermit, but the problem is that hermit don't like to meet the rich people or the kings or the high-fi people of the society. He used to meet only the simple persons or poor persons of the village. So king decided he to wear the simple clothes. किंग ने अपने रॉयल कपड़ों को उतार कर एक सिंपल इंसान, एक सिंपल गांव वाला बन के वो हर्मिट के पास गया. एंड बिफोर ही रीच द हर्मिट्स हट, हर्मिट की हट पहुंचने से पहले उसने अपने बॉडी गार्ड को और अपने घोड़े को जंगल से बाहर दूर ही, हर्मिट के हट से दूर ही रहने को कहा और वहाँ से पैदल पैदल hermit की hut पे गया. As the king came near the hermit's hut, he saw the hermit digging the ground in front of his hut. So as soon as the king reached the hut of hermit, he saw that the hermit was busy in digging the ground. He greeted the king and continued digging. उसने hermit ने राजा को प्रणाम किया और उसने अपने खोदना, ज़मीन को जो खोद रहा था वो खोदना कंटिन्यू रखा. द हर्मिट वॉज ओल्ड एंड वीक एंड एज ही वर्कड ही ब्रेथ्ड हेवीली. सो हर्मिट वॉज वेरी ओल्ड एंड ही वॉज ऑल्सो अ वीक, बहुत पतले दुबले और बहुत बुजुर्ग इंसान थे. सो एज ही वर्क, जैसे वो काम कर रहे थे वो लंबी लंबी सांसें भी रहे थे, हाफ रहे थे वो. The king went up to the hermit and said, I have come to you, wise hermit, to ask you answer three questions. How can I learn to do the right thing at the right time? Who are the people I need most, and what affairs are the most important? So when the king reached hermit, and he asked the hermit to help him by answering his three questions, and the king repeated all the three questions in front of hermit. The hermit listened to the king but did not speak. He went on digging. You are tired, said the king. Let me take the spade and work in your place. So hermit listened to the question of the king, but he did not answer his questions. He continued digging. King saw that that old hermit was very tired, so he offered his help to hermit. He requested hermit to give him spade so that he can work in and let hermit rest for some time. Thanks, said the hermit, giving the king his spade. Then he sat down on the ground. Hermit ने स्पेड, फावड़ा, स्पेड मीन्स फावड़ा, फावड़ा राजा को देते हुए उसको धन्यवाद कहा और खुद वो नीचे ग्राउंड पे बैठ गया, धरती पे बैठ गया. When the king had dug 2 beds, he stopped and repeated his questions. The king बेड्स मीन्स क्यारी बनाने के लिए कई बार हम लोग आगे वो मेड़ बनाते हैं, वैसे ही किंग ने जब 2 बेड्स बना लिए, देन ही स्टॉप्ड डिगिंग एंड ही रिपीटेड हिज क्वेश्चंस अगेन. The hermit gave no answer but stood up, stretching out his hand for spade and said, "Now you rest and let me work." Again, hermit did not replied the questions of the king asked. Rather, he asked for the spade and asked king to rest. But the king did not give him the spade and continued to dig. पर किंग ने उसको स्पेड वापस नहीं किया और वो खोदता ही रहा. 1 hour passed, then another. The sun went down behind the trees, and at last the king stuck the spade into the ground and said, "I came to you, wise man, for an answer of my questions. If you can give me no answer, tell me so, and I will return home." 1 घंटा बीत गया, 2 घंटे बीत गए और इस तरह से शाम ढलने पे आ गई. सूरज जो है पेड़ों के पीछे छुपना शुरू हो गया. एंड एट लास्ट जब किंग का सब्र, किंग वॉज लेफ्ट विद नो पेशेंस, सो ही स्टक द स्पेड इनटू द ग्राउंड. फावड़े को उसने ज़मीन पे गाड़ते हुए और बोला कि हे महान पुरुष, मैं आपसे अपने 3 प्रश्नों के उत्तर लेने आया हूँ. अगर आप आंसर दे सकते हैं तो कृपा करके मुझे दे दीजिए, अगर नहीं दे सकते तो मुझे बता दीजिए ताकि मैं घर वापस चला जाऊँ. Here comes someone running, said the hermit. The king turned round and saw a bearded man running towards them. His hands were pressed against his stomach, from which blood was flowing. When he reached the king, he fainted and fell to the ground. Hermit saw someone running from the tree, behind the tree. तो hermit shouted कि देखो कोई भागता हुआ हमारी तरफ आ रहा है. The king also turned round and he saw that a bearded man, एक लंबी दाढ़ी वाला आदमी उनकी तरफ भागता हुआ आ रहा है. His hands were pressed against his stomach, from which blood was flowing. उसने अपने दोनों हाथों से अपने पेट को दबा रखा था, जहाँ पर उसके पेट में से बहुत खून बह रहा था. When he reached the king, he fainted and fell to the ground. जैसे ही वो आदमी bearded man जैसे ही राजा के पास पहुंचा, वो बेहोश हो गया और नीचे ज़मीन पर गिर गया. The king and the hermit removed the man's clothing and found a large wound in his stomach. So king and hermit removed his clothes and whatever he was wearing on his stomach portion, the shirt or kurta, whatever, they removed his clothes and they saw that there was a big wound. एक बहुत बड़ी चोट उसके पेट में लगी हुई थी. The king washed and covered it with his handkerchief, but the blood would not stop flowing. किंग ने अपने रुमाल से उसका खून को पोंछा, फिर उसको वॉश किया, पर उसका खून रुकना बंद नहीं हुआ. The king redressed the wound until at last the bleeding stopped. The king repeatedly cleaned the wound, and again he washed the wound till the blood stopped flowing. The man felt better and asked for something to drink. जब खून बहना बंद हो गया तो आदमी को अच्छा लगा, and he asked to give him something to drink. The king brought fresh water and gave it to him. But by this time the sun had set and the air was cool. The king gave him fresh water to drink, and by that time, उस टाइम तक सूरज छुप चुका था, अंधेरा हो गया था और हवा ठंडी हो गई थी. The king with the hermit's help carried the wounded man into the hut and laid him on the bed. The king and the hermit took that man inside the hut because it was cool outside. So they took him inside the hut and laid him on the bed. The man closed his eyes and lay quiet. The king, tired by his walk and the work he had done, laid down on the floor and slept through the night. राजा, वो आदमी ने अपनी आंखें बंद करके लेटा रहा, चुपचाप से लेटा रहा। राजा भी, क्योंकि वो इतना जंगल में इतना चल कर आया था और उसने इतनी सारी खुदाई करी थी और फिर उस आदमी को भी देखभाल करी थी, तो इसलिए राजा इतना काम करके थक गया था और जैसे ही वो फर्श पे लेटा और वो रात को सो गया, वो गहरी नींद सो गया। When he awoke, it was several minutes before he could remember where he was or who the strange bearded man lying on the bed was. जब वो उठा तब उसे बहुत टाइम लग गया कि उसे याद आने की वो कहाँ पे है और वो जो बेड पे स्ट्रेंज आदमी लेटा हुआ है वो कौन है। वो थोड़ा टाइम लगा उसे, क्योंकि अचानक से उठा वो। Forgive me, said the bearded man in a weak voice when he saw that the king was awake. So when the bearded man, the wounded man, he saw the king was awake, राजा जाग गया है। So the bearded man बहुत कमज़ोर आवाज़ में बोला, Forgive me, मुझे माफ़ कर दो। I do not know you and have nothing to forgive for you for, said the king. राजा ने बोला कि I don't know who you are, you are not known to me, so for what shall I forgive you? You do not know me, but I know you. I am that enemy of yours who swore revenge on you. The man said, You don't know who am I, but I know who you are. I am your enemy who swore, means जिसने कसम खाई थी कि तुमसे आपसे बदला लेने के लिए, because you put my brother to death and seized my property, because क्योंकि आपने मेरे भाई को मौत के मुंह में धकेला, उसको मौत की सज़ा दी और मेरी सारी प्रॉपर्टी छीन ली। I knew you had gone alone to see that hermit and I made up my mind to kill you on your way होम। मुझे पता था कि आप हर्मिट से मिलने आए हैं और जंगल में अकेले गए हैं, इसलिए मैंने अपना दिमाग में मैंने आइडिया बनाया था कि मैं आपको रास्ते में मार दूंगा, जब आप वापस लौटोगे तो मैं आपको मार दूंगा। बट द डे पास्ड एंड यू डिड नॉट रिटर्न, बट the whole day passed, you did not return from the hut of the hermit, so I left my hiding place and I came upon your bodyguard who recognized me and wounded me. फिर जब तो आप लौटे नहीं तो मैं अब जहाँ पे छुपा था उस जगह से बाहर निकल के आया और आपके बॉडीगार्ड से के पास गया पूछने के लिए आप आए कि नहीं, पर वो बॉडीगार्ड मुझे पहचान गया और उसने मुझे घायल कर दिया। I escaped from him, but I should have died if you had not dressed my wounds, he said. Anyhow, I managed to run from that place where your bodyguards were, and I would have died if you would not have taken care of me. I wish to kill you and you have saved my life. मैं आपको मारना चाहता था पर आपने तो मेरे को जीवन दान दिया, मेरी जान बचाई। Now I will, if I live, I will serve you as your most faithful servant and will order my sons to do the same. Forgive me. Then he said कि now I promise that अगर मैं जिंदा रहा, that if I live, then I will serve you. मैं आपकी सेवा करूँगा, आपका सबसे वफ़ादार नौकर बनकर आपकी सेवा करूँगा और मैं अपने बेटों को भी ऐसा करने के लिए कहूँगा, इसीलिए मुझे माफ़ कर दीजिए। The king was very happy to have made peace with his enemy so easily and to have won him over as a friend. Now the king was very happy that that one of his enemy has become his friend. So for this he was very happy. He not only forgave him but said he would send his servants and his own doctor to look after him, and he promised to give back the man his property. So king नॉट ओनली फॉरगिव हिम, उस खाली माफ़ ही नहीं किया, पर उसने अपने नौकरों को और अपने खुद के डॉक्टर को उसके साथ भेजा ताकि उसकी देखभाल कर सकें और उसका इलाज कर सकें. एंड ही ऑल्सो promised दैट ही विल रिटर्न हिज प्रॉपर्टी विच ही द किंग हैज़ seized. Leaving the wounded man, the king went out of the hut and looked round for the hermit. Before going away, he wished once more to get answers of his questions. Now, when he made friendly relation with his enemy, he left the wounded man and he went out of the hut to search for the hermit, because still he was having he was having strong desire to know the answer of the 3 questions. So he looked out for the hermit before he goes back to his palace. The hermit was on his knees sowing seeds in the beds that had been dug the day before. Now hermit अपने घुटनों के बल बैठे हुए थे और कल पिछले दिन एक दिन पहले जो उन्होंने तैयार किए थे, बेड्स तैयार किए थे, जो मेड़े तैयार की थी, क्यारी तैयार की थी, उसमें वो बीज बो रहे थे. The king went up to the hermit and said, "For the last time, I beg you to answer my questions, wise man." The king went, राजा उनके पास गए और उनसे हाथ जोड़ के बोला कि मैं आखिरी बार मैं आपसे विनती करता हूँ कि मेरे क्वेश्चंस के आंसर दे दीजिए.